Handy Hudsonite here. I'm going to show you how to properly inflate your car's tire, your vehicle's tire. And every tire has a different PSI, which is pounds per square inch, amount on the tire, and it's usually located on the sidewall. I have a Honda Odyssey, and so my tires are going to probably be different from yours, so you want to consult your the tire that you've purchased. If it's the original tire in your vehicle, sometimes it'll be located on the inside door, driver's side door, or in the user's manual. But if you've purchased tires, aftermarket tires, then you're definitely going to want to consult that place where you installed them, or you can just find the amount here on the sidewall. Now, keep in mind that in warmer months, you may not want to inflate it to the full maximum recommended PSI, just because of expansion. In the winter, the expansion won't be quite as much, just because of the colder weather. So let me show you how to do this, and so that you can get your tires inflated. I'm actually just using a bicycle pump. You can use any type of pump, but one that has a gauge on it is very helpful. It makes it just a ton easier to keep track of how much you're putting in. So I picked this bicycle pump up for probably around $30 or $40. You can buy some that are cheaper, and so you don't need much to be able to do it yourself with inflating your tires. Be sure to watch my videos on how to properly remove a wheel and how to install a wheel if that's something that you're needing to do. I also have a tire inspection video and also a video on how to rotate your tires, so be sure to check those out. Okay, you want to find the tire valve or stem, and usually has a cap on it like that. Now in my particular pump, I have two different types of valves. I have a Presta valve, which is smaller, more for bikes, and then a Schrader valve. And the tire on your vehicle takes the Schrader valve, or the bigger one. So, just going to get this connected. Okay, and then you want to, once you're done pumping the tire, you want to make sure to disengage the fitting here. On this one, I just move the handle, take it off, and then don't forget to put the cap back on, because this helps protect the end of your valve. So that's it. That's how you properly inflate your tire to the proper specification. And again, every vehicle is different, so be sure to subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so that you can get updates from when my content goes up. And I will look forward to seeing you in the next video.